The warm and cozy student accommodation in Manchester, Lambert and Fairfield is the perfect place for a luxurious stay. It's like taking a soothing summer breeze right to your doorstep. The beds are super soft and comfy. You can choose between private or shared spaces with stunning views of the street through the misty windows. And if you're feeling studious, then why not make use of the study desk? With plenty of chest drawers to explore and shelves full of books, there's sure to be some hidden discoveries waiting for you. The sleek faucets and sterling white fixtures in the bathroom invite the tired tenant to bask beneath a warm wall of water. The kitchen is adorned with sophisticated appliances, while the intimate dining space encourages lively conversations over piping hot meals. Whether it be stories from campus or beyond, these walls have heard some of the most stimulating tales. Students from the University of Manchester, BPP University, and the Manchester Metropolitan University zoom through a bustling metropolis on a gusty bus ride from Dickinson Street or on a speedy train from Manchester Oxford Road. Weekends at Archie's are a retro-fueled extravaganza. As soon as you arrive, neon lights illuminate the restaurant and fill your heart with joy. Enjoy their delicious fried chicken while sipping on a refreshing slushie, and it's time to take the fun up a notch by diving into their pink ball pit. Surrounded by inflatable flamingos and topped off with an impressive canopy of arched street lamps, you won't want to leave. Take off into new heights with amberstudent.com. Book your room today and watch your dreams take flight.